It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, let's get your pumpkin. So what about this one? See, she likes hers.
Well, she might remember it. Dad, what about all this stuff? Can I even get it off?
Just use the brush.
No, this stuff. She likes it.
Is she eating it?
Yes.
She'll eat anything.
She's still licking it.
Happy Halloween.